15 minutes break for now.
Mga tito, tita, wait lang po we'll be right back.
Okay.
Wala talaga? Sa parking? Paano ka naman nalusutan ng alaga mo? Iisang tao na lang yon. Hindi mo pa mabantayan.
Sorry po, ma'am. Nagpaalam naman po siya sa akin. Ang sabi niya, magpe-freshen up lang po siya. Saglit lang. Pupunta lang siya sa CR.
Oh, paano ngayon yan? Sino ngayon ang haharap sa press?
Excuse me,
Ma'am.
but I can help, Miss Monica. I can tell the press na may emergency lang si Nate. And I can also talk about the NV if may mga tanong sila. Let me handle it.
Fine. Let's do that. Na-brief ka naman ang mga pwede lang sabihin?
Yes, I have. Thank you for trusting me. I won't let you down.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Thank God you're here. Natapos ba ng maagang lunch?
Hindi ko na tinapos. Umalis na ako. It's okay. I'd rather be with you.
I know, and I appreciate that you're here with me, but Tita Monica is gonna be furious with what you've just done.
Please, can we not talk about her? Kaysa naman ikaw ma-disappoint sa akin. I know we have so many hindrances in our relationship. Our career, I'm really trying to make this work. Gusto ko mag-fit in sa mundo mo. To be known as a lucky boyfriend of Kelly Madriaga. Let's eat.